Hey folks, this is Barefoot Grandpa and Roxy. We're out here on a beautiful Ventura, winter day, and it's almost hot. I think it's in the 80s here. I've been doing some yard work, and been a bit since I did a product promo. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about our friends at Ogery. This is a very cool company. They've contacted me, and they've sent so far a really cool camp light that I use a lot every time I go camping and every time I barbecue in the yard at night. It's an awesome beast, and I've got another video on that. They sent me a fun little smokeless fire pit, which is really fun, burns pellets or little bits of firewood, and also a very cool battery operated fan with which gets used really nicely at our cabin in the mountains when it gets hot. So today we've got, I'm going to switch around, Ogery cordless leaf blower. And they sent this to me, and some of the ads were showing as a camping tool. Well, I don't know how much I'll use it for camping, but I'll definitely use it around the house. This thing, I'll do an open box here, but I've cheated. I've already opened it and looked at it and tried it, but we're going to go through the whole open box thing today. So this thing is really cool, and I'm going to use it a lot. Okay, now we're going to dig into this. This is the Ogery cordless leaf blower, and I've seen a couple of ads for it, comparing it to some kind of famous brand names, and this thing did as well or better. So it's kind of a new thing. I haven't really seen these little bitty cordless weed blowers before, but I am impressed. So nice job of packaging as usual. There's a manual, pretty simple. And here's the blower. Use my case here. So there's the blower, and here are the nozzles. There's two of them, one big and one small. And then the batteries, oh, even sent earplugs. That's pretty cool. And in the Ogery color. And so here's the battery. It's small and nice. They sent it in a nice plastic storage box. So that's pretty cool. So let me open that up. And I checked, and the batteries came fully charged, which is a little unusual. So there's a battery, small, light, got a battery indicator on the side, so it shows that it's full. Well, that's cool. And I'm sure in this box is probably the battery charger. But we're going to go straight to putting this thing on. I wonder if I can do it one-handed. And oh, yep. All right, we're there. What happens now? Yeah, we're there. It's nice and light. Ooh, it's got some horsepower. Now let me go ahead and put on the, guess I could have had April come help film, but we'll get by. Okay, how we're going to do this so we can see it. Okay, so we'll go there. And it's got these little knobs and slots. So it goes in here like this. And we are clicked, ready to rumble. Let's see. Ooh, I'm definitely going to put on my headphones. Where did I put my headphones? So this is a patio I had built. I'm thinking about putting a barbecue out here. And as you see, we've got lots of eucalyptus leaves. So I'm going to blow away. It's probably going to be pretty loud. That is impressive. Okay, now this thing is impressive. It's got almost as much horsepower as the corded one I have that I've used forever, but then I was messing with the cord, blowing out the Ranger and the camper after a trip. I could see carrying this with us on a desert trip because I don't like dust inside my car. So as soon as the camper starts getting dusty, I can hit it with this thing. I think there's even a light here too, which is pretty cool. I'm not quite sure how to turn on the light, but I will figure that out. Anyway, Ogery, this is pretty awesome. I am stoked. Uh, yeah, I'm going to use this a lot. I can even use this to blow out the gutters, blow out the garage, blow out the car, probably blow the fleas off of Roxy. And so very, very cool uh, cordless weed blower by Ogery. And we will talk at you later. So be good humans. Don't wait for someday, and we'll talk at you soon.